Hey everybody, I want to talk to you today about using Diamond Pier's deck footings as an alternate footing for your deck renovation. What are these crazy alien-like space-age looking things? Well, basically the way they work is it has four bars that stick out and it really acts as the roots of a tree. Now these are not going to be something you're going to use in ledge soil conditions or really hard soil conditions, but for the average deck renovation, these can work really well. We use these on a project in Holliston, Mass. As an alternative to the screw piles or even just traditional digging. What I love about Diamond Pier footings is one, they're unobtrusive, but two, they actually have as much compressive strength or bearing as a 20-inch wide footing, concrete footing, that is 4 feet deep into the frost line. So if you can imagine, like this is as if you were putting in 20-inch concrete deck footings with no pouring, no mixing of concrete. And what I really love too is you just give a spec sheet to the inspector, they make sure it's all good, you use the right piers, and you're ready to build that beautiful deck of yours.